Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to enable transparency mode for your Earbuds CMF Buds Pro 2. And basically we have a few options how to enable it. We can use the application or we can use a gesture. Now let's get started with use the application, open Nothing X, and if you add your earbuds to the application you will see the same menu. Now right here at the top we have ambient sound control. So to enable transparency you need to only tap on it. But as I said previous, we can use also adjusters. So you need to press and hold at your left or right earbuds. Touch area is located at the back side of the earbuds, and right here at the top we have this circle. This is actually a touch area. So you just press and hold on it, and firstly you will enable ANC, and then you press and hold again, and you will swap to transparency. Now we can't change it, so only press and hold. We can't add it on the single press, double press, triple press or something else. And also we can add it for this button at your charging case. Scroll down and go to controls. Now tap at the charging case icon right here, and you can add it only for the press and hold. You can add it for the single press, double, triple or rotate, only press and hold. Tap on it and select noise control. Right here you can select which mode you will swap, and you can add also to turn off both of these modes, but I don't need it. And now let's check it. So I'm just press and hold, and first I should swap to ANC. Here we go, and then I press and hold again, and now it's transparency. So this button also works. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!